Hi, I'm Jitendra from Global Media Networks. Welcome to LBD Markets Today summary. We have Natasha Mudasinghe from Asia Securities. She would start with the market summary.
The bourse witnessed a day of profit-taking on the blue chips while retail activity was evident on speculative counters. The all-share price index shed 61.65 points to close at 5,693 points, while the more sensitive Milanka price index lost 50.3 points to close at 4,925 points. The total turnover for the day was 835 million rupees. The total volume traded for the day was around 34 million shares. The day's activities were mainly dominated by ACME, mainly on the back of heavy retail participation. The counter contributed 173 million rupees, which is 21% of the day's total turnover. ACME closed at 29.70 rupees, trading over 5.9 million shares during the day. Heavyweight counters such as John Keells Holdings, Commercial Bank, Chevron Lubricants and Sampath Bank saw profit taking during the day as counters closed marginally down. No crossings were witnessed during the day, although small parcels of Colombo Land and 8 Spence hotels changed hands on the normal board. Retail favourite Swarna Mahal Finance gained momentum and saw attractive volumes trading during the day. The counter gained 4.3% to close at 132.20 rupees, contributing over 39 million rupees to the day's turnover. Further, retail interest was seen in Asia Asset Finance, Pan Asia Power and Ceylon Merchant Bank.
Moving into business news, Sancharaka Udava 2012 conceptualized and spearheaded by Sri Lanka Association of Inbound Tour Operators and organized by the Sri Lanka Association of Professional Conference and Exhibition Organizers in association with Sri Lanka Tourism was declared open today at the Ceylon Continental Hotel. The event, which will provide an ideal forum for all industries relating to hospitality, will witness the essence of the concept, a meat mart for the unexposed to join the mainstream, drawing medium and small scale players of the travel and tourism industry under a single roof.
Expo Lanka Holdings sustained its consolidated net profit after tax for the 9 months ended 31st December 2011 at 903 million rupees, with a consolidated net profit before tax of 1.18 billion rupees. Net profit attributable to the equity holders reached 768 million rupees for the 9-month period ending 31st December 2011. The transportation sector of the group managed to sustain its year-to-date bottom line, which contributed a profit before tax of 1.15 billion rupees and a profit after tax of 932 million rupees. The other 3 key sectors, international trading, manufacturing and strategic investments, contributed a profit before tax of 193 million rupees and a profit after tax of 159 million rupees to the group.
Sri Lanka's Microcars Limited, an automobile manufacturer, is planning to operate a luxury Superlow flow bus service covering the main routes entering to Colombo City, a media report said. The company has already imported 8 Superlow flow buses, which even provide ease of access to the differently able people and consist of air-conditioned facilities. Ticket prices of the new service will be 2.5 higher than the normal bus fare charged from the passengers.
Sri Lanka Citrus Leisure has spent 122 million rupees to buy into a subsidiary which was taken public to raise 284 million rupees, with the parent taking 43% of stock sold in an initial public offer, the stock exchange filing showed. Kalpitiya Beach Resort, which sold stock in an IPO at 17.50 rupees, was oversubscribed with 278 investors applying for shares, started trading on the Colombo Stock Exchange on January 3rd. The stock opened at 24 rupees and later fell below its offer price. The firm had also sold 145 million shares at 10 rupees in a private placement in February 2011, which was under a 1-year lock-in period. Citrus Leisure, the parent of Kalpitiya, said in a stock exchange filing that on January 24th, it has started buying small amounts of stock initially at 11.50 rupees. In a series of transactions, the stock then moved up to the IPO price of 17.50 rupees, where 6.79 million shares were bought back. The stock exchange filing showed that a parent company had spent 122 million rupees to buy 43% of Kalpitiya Beach stock, which was sold in an IPO to raise 283 million rupees for the subsidiary. On Monday, Kalpitiya Beach closed at 13.20 rupees, down 10 cents. With the end of a 30-year war, tourist arrivals have started to go up and the hotels have become a hot investment sector.
Piramal Glass, a unit of India's Piramal Group, said profits in December 2011 quarter rose 7.8% to 204 million rupees from a year earlier, with revenues growing 17% to 1.34 billion rupees. The firm reported earnings of 22 cents for the quarter in interim accounts filed with the Colombo Stock Exchange.
That's it for the business news today. Thank you.
Thank you.